afternoon, evening. For Jairus and Nicole, from the beginning nitong series na to, and up to now, how would you describe na yung friendship niyo? How has it changed?
Big changes, right? Ang laki ng pagbabago. Kasi parang, when we started doing the series, we're just casual, like, parang magkatrabaho, nakikita sa work and everything. Pero now, we became close to each other to the point na we understand each other in terms of how we are as a person. So, malaki talaga yung changes namin and we're much comfortable with each other right now. And I think that's important with the whole series na maging komportable kami sa isa't isa. And yeah, we're just enjoying each other's company and yeah. How about you?
Yeah, because when we met po, nung nag-start na yung series, hindi po talaga kami magka-eksena. Never po kami nagtatagpo. Magtatagpo lang kami pag interviews or, di ba, MediaCon or events or mall shows. But we never really had time to really get to know each other and spend time. And now that we're doing the series, and now we're doing book 6, dito lang po kami talaga nagsimula yung tandem namin. So, it's been great and it's going really, really well. And I'm just glad that there's so much trust and safety with each other.
May ano pa ba? May mas iko-close pa kayo?
Gano'n ka-close? Sorry, nilapit.
Yeah. I mean, we'll see kasi as of the moment we're really focused on this partnership, doing this job because we want nothing but success for not just for Oye but for the whole university series. So eventually, sasabay naman lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Basta ngayon, nag-enjoy kami and we're very much focused on doing our jobs and being there for each other. Kasi ang bigat ng libro, and importante na nararamdaman namin na nandiyan kami para sa isa't isa all the time.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now moving on to TV5, Von Belinario.
Hi everyone, congratulations. But my question is for Jerome and Trisha. Ayan, diba sa sigawan pa lang, alam namin marami na nakamiss sa inyo. Siguro yung question ko is, ano yung namiss ninyo sa isa't isa, Jerome and Trisha? Kasi matagal na bago nung huling nag-umere yung Save Sky Archers. Ngayon na nagkasama ulit kayo dito sa Grand Media Con ng Viva One, anong namiss nyo sa isa't isa?
Anong na-miss namin sa isa't isa? Mariko!
Jerome, come on, go ahead. You got this, bro. It's your time to shine, buddy.
Lahat ng mga nakaraan.
Sabihin mo yung totoong nararamdaman mo.
Oh, syempre. From trabaho, from friendship, the way we are. Yun.
Trisha, kailangan may sagot ka.
Siyempre nakakamiss yung din namin. Pag magkasama kami, ang favorite ko talaga ang scene partner si Jerome. Like, super duper, he makes me really feel safe kapag nagkaka-eksena kami. And grabe siyang sumuport talaga, as in, super, super duper. And syempre, yung mga chika and food, kapag ka, bakit ingay? Charot din. Yun lang. Hindi, pero kasi mahilig kayo mag-food trip ni Jerome before. So nakakamiss din yung mga food trip namin.
Kumusta ang communication after nung series? Ano nang ginagawa ninyo after nun?
Busy kasi si Jerome eh. Busy siya.
Honestly, I've been traveling a lot. Tapos may mga bagay lang nangyari sa buhay ko na hindi naasahan. Been choosing projects starting since I Love You Since 1892 dahil parang naging routine na kasi yung career ko na every time na may tinatanggap akong role or character, it's been a question. Nagiging question siya na parang kahit ako na-question ko sarili ko, ano ba ang kaya ko. So, I think doon napunta yung time ko for myself. I mean, it's what, 15 years? Since 2011, 2012. Parang I'm not getting younger anymore. Pero, I can still accept roles na young, pero iba na yung situation ngayon eh, na andyan ang social media, critics, judgments, but mas feel ko lang yung circle, you know? Hindi ko na pinapakita masyado yung inner circle ko para at least hindi rin ma-judge. Yeah.
How about you, Krisha? What keeps you busy nowadays?
Meron akong mga anak. Wow! Meron akong girl group na mini-mentor ngayon. So, doon meron ako busy. So, meron po silang comeback. Meron silang comeback this August 8. So, yun yung medyo Pixie po. Pixie.
Pixie!
Yes.
Wow, ayaw mo palang mentor doon.
Yeah, so, parang magkaiba kami talaga ng siya. May parang nabi-business siya ngayon. Tapos ako, busy with the girl group. And ito, nakikita kami dito sa Viva. And in the future, malay nyo, meron ulit. So we'll see. I'm really open to working again after this Univercada. See, it's a small world. Hindi talaga, hindi mako-close yung door ko, of course, to work with Jerome again. I always say that, promise. Yeah.
Nagtitilian yung mga fans dito sa likod. Congratulations, guys, and nice seeing you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Von. Now, let's listen from Random Republica, Kate Adahar.
Hi, good afternoon. My questions are for Wildea. Una sa lahat, congratulations, Will, on your successful concert. Yung question ko sa inyong dalawa, after Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, ano yung natutunan nyo about life, love, and friendship na na-apply nyo sa?
After Golden Scenery of Tomorrow po, natutunan ko na after Jesus po, about sa life, Ayan. Okay, ready? Mike, check. Ano nga po yung question na rin, sorry po?
Ano yung natutunan?
Bert.
Ayan ba?
Yan, okay. Mike. Ito na. About na pagpapahalaga ng friendship. Kasi sa G-Shot po, doon po nakita yung nandun. I mean, every university series naman, yung friendship po ng Univercada. And then yung parang mga lessons po sa G-Shot mismo about work, about showbiz and all. And about, yun lang po.
Ako po natutunan ko to be supportive. Kasi si Via, she's always been very supportive of everyone around her. With her friends and life, ganun po.
For my second question, ano yung similarities and differences nung sa Valeria High Squad at saka sa Univercada? Personalities.
Ano po parehas po may sapak pag magkasama. As in, paano po kami pag nagkasama po kami, talagang makulit, maingay, may ganun po. So, halos same lang po, no? Pag ganun. Madami pong similarities isa-isa. At syempre, similar din po yung sa Univercada na pag kailangan yung mga tao, talagang full support po full support po sila. Like sa kung ano-ano mang, kahit anong book or kahit anong ganap po sa amin. Yun. Sinusuportahan po namin isa't isa. Thank you po.
Pero same naman po, dahil yung closeness naman nila, they've always been very supportive, they've always been always there for each other. And parang kahit po dito sa Univercada, sa Valeria High Squad, parang support naman sa lahat palagi. Katulad si Jai, si Gab, suot kanina yung shades ng negosyo namin. Talagang very supportive. So, Sunset Avenue, the Sunset Ave PH on Instagram. So, yun. So, yun po.